Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with another beautiful recipe today, and that is Chinese chicken spring rolls. So let's start to cook. We are going to need 200 grams of chopped white cabbage, 100 grams of these thinly cut carrots, 100 grams of green pepper, and over here I have 500 grams of chicken cubes, small chicken cubes, chicken cut into small cubes, and into that I'm going to add some water, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and some half teaspoon black pepper. Mix it and turn on the hob, and you have to boil the chicken until it's cooked, maybe 10-12 minutes on medium flame. Once the water starts to boil, you set your timer for 10 minutes and then make sure that your flame is from medium to low. It shouldn't be too high, otherwise these juices from the chicken and this water is going to boil over and will create a big mess. I took out all the boiled chicken from that water, and you should put that in a separate in a strainer. And you should keep that broth. Do not throw away this very precious thing. You can use it in pilau rice, or you can make soup with that. And now I'm going to break this chicken into small pieces. We'll fry that. All our vegetables and chicken is ready. So now let's start the frying. In a wok, you can see the flame is high, and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of oil. And when it starts to sizzle, we'll add the chicken in. Mix it very nicely. When it's all coated with oil, then you can add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and fry this until on high heat until it becomes golden, well fried. 7 minutes, and I'm going to take it out of the wok. In the same wok, add a couple of tablespoons of oil and throw in the vegetables. Cabbage, carrots, and peppers. And mix really well, and you have to stir fry these for 4 to 5 minutes. stirring the vegetables, and I'm going to add some soya sauce and black pepper halfway through. When it's 2 minutes in, then I will add soya sauce, black pepper, and a touch of salt. It has been 2 minutes. Two tablespoons of soy sauce and a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well. Add a pinch of salt. It has been 5 minutes now, and I'm going to add all of the chicken in. Keep your flame low, and I have got here Hoisin sauce. If you can find that, you should add 1 tablespoon into this mixture, and if you cannot, then it's okay. It's optional. You can add maybe ½ teaspoon of sugar instead of Hoisin sauce, and then combine everything and our spring roll stuffing is ready. You can adjust the salt at this stage. You can add either salt or light soy sauce to adjust the salt. Basically, soy sauce works as flavoring and salt as well. It's ready, let it cool down, and then we will make our rolls. Here I have a pack of pastry sheets. It's square, you can use this to make rolls, and just take out some at a time, and you need to cover them with some kind of wet kitchen towel and take few out and start to fill your rolls. And I always take 2 sheets for 1 roll. It works better. You use 1 sheet that's very thin and it becomes too oily. And here I have some plain flour mixed in water. Now make a little paste, some paste to secure the ends of the last stage when you make your rolls. Now for better results, you should take 2 sheets, put them on top of each other, like that, and 1 corner towards you, and you should take some filling, as much as you want, and put it very close to the corner which is right near you. Don't put it in the middle, slightly on one side, like this. Keep it very neat and then fold it like this corner on top of the filling. Try to push in, pack in from the sides like that. Push towards you so you can see this filling is all in there. Now you should take the left corner and fold it on top. Make sure this corner is closed, and take the right side and do the same. And you can see it looks like an envelope. So you just slowly fold it like that and keep it tight. Keep just pushing it and roll it like that. When you come near the end, there's this corner left. We have to apply a little bit of that glue which we made to secure our rolls. And then there are 2 sheets, you have to put the glue in there. And that's it. When you make them, you should keep them in some airtight container so that the pastry doesn't become dry. And this is how we make. I have oil in the bowl and it's been heated up. I'll check the temperature, drop something in. This is a small piece of pastry sheet. The oil looks ready. It can be too hot, otherwise the spring rolls will burn really quickly from the outside and it will stay uncooked from the inside. So you just drop slowly in there. The oil is perfect. It's sizzling a little bit, but it's not too hot. And gently put the rolls in there, and you need to slowly move them like that. If you will leave them in one place, they'll start to burn or they won't be cooked evenly. I'm going to flip the side one more time. It's nearly ready. It's been 4 minutes, and I think 5 minutes would be enough. This is the best way of frying them. It's ready. Let's take them out. The excess oil that put on top of the cookie wrap to drain the excess oil and let them cool down. And here is the final look. The rolls look very beautiful. They are evenly cooked, even color on all sides. And this is because we were just constantly moving them in the hot oil. They look very yummy. They are nice and crunchy, and you can serve it with either ketchup, hot sriracha sauce, or here I have a little bowl of dip. It's basically 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of hot chili oil with chili flakes in it. So you can serve with your favorite dip and enjoy the spring rolls.